Yeah. He's starting to walk towards us. Treacherous 7 for Rolf?
Yeah. And then we need a 167.
Yeah, good. Coming in, Brent.
Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. I think I did good riding.
Yeah, mate.
We'll get these ones done first. There you go, latte to you. And that's just $12. Thanks, buddy. Cheers, appreciate it.
Bike crew scrutineering. Get your bikes down here, get them in the lineup, grab a coffee. The guys at Monza Imports have got a great display here. And the guys at First Class Motorcycles have got the 2024 Huskies sitting there in the Husky tent, ready for your perusal. Those bikes were used in test rides yesterday. They had a great day out in the paddock. People got to ride some great new bikes. So thanks to First Class Motorcycles from Lilydale for bringing the bikes down and allowing people to ride them around. You can have a look at them today. We run through their leg as well. First Class Huskies here, 2024 Huskies. Yeah, for that bit of a highlight. First Class Motorcycles are here, Lilydale. So you know, first loop, they're colour coded, the first loop and is red. So everybody note here, red is loop 1. And then loop 2 will be blue. Blue arrows, loop 2. So if you come to the intersection and there's blue arrows going one way and red arrows going the other, you're going to go on the loop that you're on. Where you can, just space out, and that's the thing, and hopefully the wind will pick up and it shouldn't have too many dust in here. So we'll probably release you not in such big groups today, and we'll make it better. Down on the floor
The old kickstart. Hope he doesn't fall off too many times today. How are you, mate? 230? 230, yeah. Beautiful.
2019 SER 300 Turbo.
Very nice.
They're a good bit of kit.
Just a rundown on your bike?
Oh, just a 2009 250 EXF.
Got the Akrapovic on it?
What's that? Yeah, I've had that since new. It's pretty good. That's about it, really.
No idea.
Basic. Yeah, that's right. All the gear, no
All the gear, no idea.
No idea. I'll keep an eye out and see who comes back first.
That's right.
It's not a race though. It's not a race.
Yeah.
Well, this looks very shiny.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Tell us a little bit about it.
No, she's only got 400 Ks on it.
400 Ks.
Yeah, that's it.
Beautiful.
Nice bike.
All kinds of bikes. Today, all kinds of bikes. Hey ladies, how are you? Tell us a little bit about your bike.
Oh, this isn't mine. My bike shit itself yesterday.
Oh, no good.
So this is just a borrow bike.
A borrow bike.
Yeah.
Alright, well
She'll
enjoy
be
the dust
right.
out there.
Thank
You'll have
you.
a ball. What about you? What?
I have a 250 EXE.
250 EXE.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Goodbye.
Have a good ride.
Thank you.
I hope your bike's easy to fix.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh no. The prize for the sickest mullet of the event goes to 288. Tell us a little bit about yourself and the bike.
Not a lot, just a YZ 250. I don't know what else.
First rally we're doing. So
Awesome. Enjoy.
good on you.
You'll have a ball.
Thank you.
It's looking very shiny.
Yes. We'll see how it goes at the end of the day.
Yeah, it'll be covered in dust, I can tell you that for sure.
It will be.
Tell us a little bit about it.
YZX, 22 model YZX. Very happy with it, 97 kilos dry. Very light for an older guy like me to pick up after the dozenth time.
Can appreciate that.
Yeah, it's very, I'm very happy with it. It's been great.
Ah, very good. How you doing?
Good, thanks.
Tell us a little bit about your bike.
Oh yeah, 2009 KTM.
Yep.
30, bought a new Boltons back then. Done about 150 hours. Gets pretty well maintained, and it's just a ripper machine.
Machine.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Beast. Looks to me about a 94, 95. Beautiful. Don't need the flashiest gear, the newest gear to do the race. Not looking at anyone in the picture.
There's a black with PE down the back.
Lot of bling. Very good. Enjoy it.
Yeah.
It'll be very dusty by the end of the day.
I know.
Hey mate, sir.
Tell us a little bit about your bike.
I bought this back in 2007 in an unrestored condition off the original owner in Coffs Harbour, New South Wales. And I took it back home to Melbourne and I completely stripped it and restored it. It owes me about $9,000 in restoration costs. You know, spokes and rims and engine and the Olin suspension and Technic fork springs and emulators, electron carb and all that, and it runs pretty good for its age. And I ride mostly the Enduro events, but I like to turn up to these events, start at the back, and hopefully finish.
Your way through.
Yeah, hopefully get through one loop today. It's going to be very hot.
Yeah, I'll enjoy.
Thank you.
Can't see shit, yeah. Big L.